What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video of Simple Planes. Today I will be flying to Pacta. On Simple Planes actually you can download which plane you want, but all the planes aren't there like Pegasus. But as you can see, I actually made a Pegasus livery and I can send it to Google. Simple Planes app where the planes are. So you remember the video of my Ryanair that I just did? It's downloading right now, uploading. So yeah, wait, did my phone freeze? No. And now we will take A320 airplanes, or wait, hold on. It's actually, the A320 Air France is actually quite glitchy. I have other planes that I can actually fly, but they don't glitch though. I had an emergency landing with this Ryanair. Wait, why does it take so long? We will be flying to A321 Turkish Airlines today. This is my beautiful Air France. Alright, where's that bad boy? Yeah, someone just arrived. So yeah, this is my A321 Turkish Airlines. I couldn't make the logo. Or guys, let's just fly this. I don't have a camera. I'm always filming on my phone. Soon, I can't go outside by coronavirus. You know, we have a restriction. I actually want to fly a plane and make a video. No, I want to be inside an airplane and make a video of it because actually. Wait, hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I am back. So now we are flying this A321 Turkish Airlines. We have rotated. And we will fly to the next destination. I mean, yeah, look at beautiful A321. Oh, no, my phone fell. Sorry, guys. Look how beautiful this airplane is. Now you can see flares coming out of the engines. Like a white one. Look how beautiful this plane is. Oh, actually, these are the flaps. This is the yoke where it keeps going up, you know. This is the steer. This is the rudder, and this is the yoke. As you can see. Oh no. The airport is where the flaps down. Let's just. Wow, it's like a 737 Max. Damn. No, why did I shut down the engines? So I'm like a glider. Flaps. Thanks. just arrived to get food. Hold on. Guys, as you can see, we're recording. Wait a minute, why doesn't this go down? Go down! You bad boy! Okay, so we are clear to land. As you can see, my engines are shut off. Can't take control of my plane. My quarantine is going good. I don't have to go now. Okay, why am I talking about that right now? Let's just continue our approach or landing. Short final. I don't make that much infinity flight fit stuff. Look! We are landing! Oh, I think this will be a good landing. Crash. Okay, as you can see, we did another emergency landing on grass. I'm going to go to the island again. Let's just do one landing. Engines cut off. Flaps full. Stay. I should have landed like this. No. Today is a steep approach. Water crash. So yeah, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on these beautiful notifications. Thank you, and I'll see you as tomorrow, as always.